Here in the video, we will share the details for the Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine error code N-2. The error reads, "Can't connect to servers." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to load into the lobby but are unable to connect to the servers. According to our research, the error is likely related to slow loading times, network issues, overlays interfering with the game, or server-side problems. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to click through the error, then jump back out to the main menu and go right back in. This can help you connect fast enough so that you may not get the error. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, restart the game and then check if you need to update it. If an update is available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, try validating the game files and then see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, check if you have any overlays enabled, such as the NVIDIA overlay. Then turn off all overlays before launching the game and check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, it is probably a server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again to see if the error is resolved. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.